central Indiana, northern Spencer County in central Kentucky, Oldham County in central Kentucky, Shelby County in central Kentucky, Trimble County in central Kentucky, western Henry County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, central Bullitt County in central Kentucky, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Jeffersonville to Minerling Heights to 6 miles south of Shepherdsville, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for the Louisville Metro. Hazard, 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. At 5:04 p.m., Louisville Airport reported a gust to 78 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Louisville, Jeffersonville, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shelbyville, Shepherdsville, Linden, Long Range, Middletown, and Douglas Hills.
Shepherdsville, Linden, LaGrange, Middletown, and Douglas Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Use extra caution when driving.